In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change emoji in a Confluence page. Changing the emoji on a Confluence page is a simple way to make your workspace feel more organized, visual, and even a little bit fun. Emojis are often used as quick visual labels, so updating them can help teammates instantly understand what a page is about or what state it's in, like in progress, approved, or needs review. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process from start to finish, so you can confidently update the emoji on any page you have access to. First, start by opening Confluence in your browser and signing in with your usual account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page where you want to change the emoji. This might be a project document, a meeting note, or any space page in your site. You can find it either through the sidebar, your recent pages, or by using the search bar at the top. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page, because the emoji you're about to change is linked directly to that page's title. At the very top of the page, look for the current emoji that's displayed next to the page title. This is sometimes called the page icon. Move your cursor over that emoji. When you hover over it, you should see an option or a small prompt that says change emoji, or something very similar, depending on your Confluence version and theme. Go ahead and click on change emoji. This will open up the emoji selection interface. It usually appears as a small pop-up or menu with a grid of different emojis to choose from. You might see categories like smileys, objects, symbols, or custom icons your organization has added. Take a moment to browse through the options and think about what best represents the content or purpose of your page. Once you've found an emoji you like, click on it to select it. Confluence will automatically update the page icon to the new emoji you chose. You don't usually need to publish or save the page just for this change. It should apply immediately. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page to confirm that the new emoji is in place. That's all there is to it. By selecting the page and using the change emoji option, you can quickly